Yes. What? You told me. I always spit up on you.
You up all over me. Constantly. My blue velvet couch.
I'm recording this.
I had to leave in Canada because it was so pukey.
At least I'm not constipated all the time like some sibling I have. Julia.
Loyalty.
Marie looks beautiful in this sunlight, doesn't she? There's a wedding. Wait! No, you butt! Wait! Yeah, Marie. She's in your butt. She's still running. Marie!
I want your wedding here.
I don't know. You would. You did have yours here.
No.
You were probably drunk when you got married to him. And I emphasize him. Oh no, she's not at it again. She's not getting far this time. She told you. You okay there? Sparky? Looks like a butt. I'm keeping you with me. No, let's record what we see. Oh, no, you don't. That looks like an outhouse. Doesn't it?
Looks like a poop.
It's a Mary Kate.
It looks like a poop with windows.
There's a wedding going on somewhere over there.
What happened? They're freaking wedding here. It's so loud.
Go.
That's Miss Elizabeth.
Hey, Catherine won't let me leave.
Because I'm not letting you run off.
You know, I read the story in the newspaper about abusive teenage relationships.
Oh, I'm your boyfriend or something?
No, I was quoting New Moon. No, Eclipse. Remember Jake's telling Bella? No, I saw this story on the news about abusive teenage relationships.
That's Marie. She's in an abusive relationship.
I know. He hits me.
No, I thought you hit him.
Well, the details are fuzzy. I could hit him, or he could hit me.
Or you could hit each other.
Or neither of us could hit each other. It's pretty complicated. Gotcha. It's pretty deep.
I bet it.
We better run.
No! Oh no! And she's off again. Well, we're going to the high ropes. Say bye, Marie! Marie, say bye! Fine.